Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Sa mga bago pa lang, please consider to subscribe at i-hit mo na rin yung bell button below para naman ma-notify ka every time na meron ako mga bagong video tutorial katulad nito. Our tutorial for this video is Houndstooth. In able to do this project or this tutorial, we have to use two different color of yarn, a pair of scissors, darning needle, and 3.5 mm crochet hook. To start Houndstooth crochet, this is our color A. We need to do chain foundation a multiple of 4. At first, make a slip knot. One, two, three, 4, 5. And to start with our row 1, 1 single crochet in the second chain from hook. So here. Next, half double crochet in the next chain. Next, double crochet in the next chain. Then skip the next 3 chain, 1, 2, and 3, and make a single crochet in the next chain. Next, chain 4, 3, and 4. Make a single crochet in the second chain from hook. Next, half double crochet in the next chain, and double crochet in the next chain. Next, skip the next 3 chain, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3, and single crochet in the next chain. Repeat this process across. As you can see here, for remaining stitches or chain, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, and make a single crochet in the last stitch on the last chain. So this is how we end up our row 1 using color A. To proceed to row 2, we are going to use the color B. This one, the color B. To start row 2, this is the yarn B. Take the loop, make more tighten, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then turn your work. 1 double crochet in next double crochet, and 1 half double crochet in next half double crochet, and last 1 single crochet in the next single crochet. As you can remember the one we did before, this one. So here we're going to do 1 double crochet. Okay, next here half double crochet, and lastly on all here single crochet like this. Next, 1 treble in next single crochet. So this is the next single crochet. 1, 2, and make 1 treble like this. Next, 1 double crochet, And next, half double crochet and single crochet. Repeat this process across. Almost done for our row 2. Single crochet in the top turning chain here. And to proceed to row 3, we're going to use the same yarn, the yarn B. Chain 4, 2, 3, and 4, and then turn your work. Single crochet, second chain from hook, half double crochet in the next chain, and double crochet in the next chain. Then skip these 3 chain, 1, 2, and 3. So this one is the half double crochet, and treble. On the next chain, make a single crochet like this. Next, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, single crochet in the second hook, second chain from hook, half double crochet in the next chain, and double crochet in the next chain. Again, skip the next 3 chain, 1, 2, and 3, and single crochet in the next single crochet. This is the single crochet, so single crochet in here. Repeat this process across. We're done to row 3. Repeat rows 2 and 3, alternating colors every 2 rows. So this is our foundation row, first row, second, third. So we have to change color in every 2 rows. Since we're done with the row 3, we're going to pick up the A color. So pick up the A color and make it more tightened from the color B. And chain 4. Turn your work. Make 1 treble, and half double crochet. Next is half double crochet and single crochet. Next, 1 treble in the next single crochet here. Then double crochet, followed by half double crochet, and single crochet. Repeat this process across. This is how we end up our row 4. 1 single crochet in the top of turning chain. And to proceed to row 5, we will use the same yarn, the color A yarn. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then turn your work. Make a single crochet in the second chain from hook, and half double crochet in the next chain and double crochet. Skip the next 3 chain and make single crochet in the next single crochet. Chain 4, 3 and 4, single crochet in the second chain from hook, followed by half double crochet in the next chain and double crochet in the next chain. Skip the next 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3, and make single crochet in the next single crochet. Repeat this process across or until end of the row. We're almost done for our row 5. Skip the next 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and make single crochet here and the top of turning chain. So this is how we end up our row 5. So this is how we end up our row 5. Repeat rows 2 and 3 until you reach your desired length or measurement. Don't forget alternating colors for every 2 rows, like this. And please note also, colors are carried alongside, not ended off at each row. And to give you another note or another reminder, in order for you to form the points of the houndstooth pattern, form and work on new chain at every other row. And lastly, just to remind, this pattern is multiple of 4. That's all for our today's video. And please consider to subscribe at i-hit mo na rin yung bell button below para naman ma-notify ka every time na meron ako mga bagong tutorial katulad nito. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.